Cool. Yeah, so I can share my screen. Do you see it? Do you see my snowflake?
Yep.
All right. So I started digging a bit into the UDF functions. So that's what I did. I did it on my Scratch schema. And yeah, I had some basic knowledge about about regex in JavaScript. So, but I didn't know about this constructor. This one, line 203, where you can basically pass. I think it's mainly, yeah, you can pass a string, and then use this match function to create an array.
Yeah.
But when I read, where did I put this one? So they were saying that here there's like a little difference between the two ways of calling the match function. So you can, in JavaScript, you can do it this way. So you don't call a string, just, I mean, not with quotes. You just pass it like this, or you just call the constructor the constructor as we did. But they say here that for the constructed function, the normal string escape rules are necessary. And in my case, I don't do anything for this. So I guess that's where it could fail if we start matching some more complicated regex.
I think that should be fine. I think what you have is fine.
Okay.
Because it seems to work. Like, go back to Snowflake.
Yeah, it worked in Snowflake. So up. So that's what I did basically. So I did like 400 nodes. So NT array if you don't find anything, and then this array or this array, for example, this array is a good case, like 2 Salesforce links. Is I found 2 in the node.
Yeah. So would you want to? Because I think at the end of it, what you actually want is just the ID and not the full link. Would you do that processing in the function, or do you want to do that in SQL?
I don't know. I think that the function could say like this, which would be just for regex extraction in general. Since Snowflake seems like Postgres in general is a bit weak with the regex, we can do it this way. We can do it with this UDF, and then I can do the parsing like parsing in SQL. The parsing is super easy anyways. You just split part on GitLab on salesforce.com/ and then you keep only the ID part. So
right. Yeah, there's also a way with regex you can do matching groups and specify the regex, but the matching group from that would just be the ID. So you might be able to update the function, because I think it's with like parentheses, and then you just select.
I checked it actually. Okay, I know what you mean. I can try with this, so I can try the more complicated regex anyways, and at least I do a stress test on my function.
Okay.
And see if it has this kind of regex. But it looks okay from your eyes.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think the other thing is what you mentioned in the MR is some of the IDs will be 15 character or 18 character, and I think what we'll want is all 18 character if possible. So
I think I checked that. Yeah, account ID is like always 15, it's always 18. I mean, on the recent ones at least. You can check on the old ones.
Yeah. So let's see. So would it make sense? We've already got a function that does it. Can you call a UDF from another UDF, or is that too?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, if it exists, I guess you can. Just calling to JavaScript right after the other, I guess.
Yeah, just they'd have to wrap it twice. The only thing is the UDF is set up to handle just the string, so you can't pass in an array. So you'd have to think about that. But
yes, I might need to flatten it and then use it this way. Yeah, cool. I mean, from a performance standpoint, it looks pretty fast. I'm on the analytics Excel though warehouse, but it looks fine in terms of performance.
Cool.
Much better than yesterday. So
yeah, and for the GitLab.com data, it runs on, because it's tagged with product, it runs on a larger warehouse anyways, so it should be even faster. So.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Awesome.
All right.
Nice
so then, thank you. Then I push it, and yeah, I try to do everything tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Cool. Thank you very much, Taylor, for your time.
No problem. Good luck.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.